Hi, I'm Marie and this is a preview of my Violet Rococo Tulip watercolour tutorial. When you first look at a flower like this, you might think that it's a bit confusing knowing where to start, but when broken down into very small sections, you'll see how I quite easily build my painting up to produce a complex layering of petals. It's important to start with quite a detailed drawing, as this makes it a lot easier when it comes to painting. I use a wet into wet technique, although I don't wet each section very much, so I just dampen the paper so that I can add the darkest areas, and then I use my clean damp brush to blend the darker areas out to create the lighter ones. By doing it this way, I find it's easier to produce a smooth transition between the various tonal values within each petal. So with the larger areas of petal, I still tend to break them down into sections and build them up from there. It's also really important to make sure that you don't put too much water down on your surface or have your paint too wet, because dealing with such small areas and fine detail, you want to be able to retain complete control over where you put your paint and how far it spreads out. I also vary the sizes of my brushes using between a size 2 and a 6 round brush with a really fine tip, and I adjust the size depending on the area that I'm working on. I find it's a lot of fun painting this kind of image with lots of small parts. You'll be amazed how much movement you can create in your flower, and you'll be surprised how quickly all these little elements build up to make the whole image. If you'd like to follow my step-by-step instructions and paint this whole tutorial, you can take a look in the Watercolor Members Club. The link is below. There's also a free tutorial of a peony that you can try out to see if this kind of painting is for you. The link is also below. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more upcoming tips and technique videos. Have a great day and goodbye for now.